Hello YouTube, my name is Scott Perdue. I'm an Amazon author of over 100 books, tons of Christian books, self-help books, all kinds of wonderful books out there for you. Next time you get on Amazon, go to the search bar, type in my name, Scott Perdue, pull up all those wonderful books. You'll need to scroll down to see them all, add some to cart that are appealing to you, get those in transit right away. There's life-changing wisdom for you there. Anyway, today I'm going to go over a book I'd recently published called Rising from the Ashes, How to Rebuild When Life Falls Apart. Today's lesson is about turning pain into purpose. When life falls apart, the pain can feel insurmountable, leaving you questioning your path, your identity, and your ability to rebuild. But within that pain lies the seed of something powerful, purpose. Transforming adversity into the driving force for meaning allows you to rise stronger than before. It shifts your narrative from victimhood to empowerment, creating an opportunity to help others, rediscover your identity, and build a life of fulfillment. This chapter focuses on how to transform pain into purpose, offering actionable strategies, motivation, and insights to guide you on your journey toward rewriting your life after setbacks. How pain can be a catalyst for purpose. Adversity can feel like the end of the road, but it often marks the beginning of a new chapter. Pain has a unique ability to uncover truths about yourself, reveal strengths you didn't know you had, and push you toward a deeper understanding of what truly matters. Number one, pain as a teacher. Every hardship carries lessons that can shape your character, values, and perspective. While it may not be immediately clear, reflecting on your struggles can help you uncover wisdom and resilience. Actionable advice. Journal about your experiences, focusing on the following questions. What have I learned about myself through this adversity? How has this pain shaped my priorities or values? What strengths have I developed by enduring these challenges? Number two, pain as a connector. Sharing your experiences allow you to connect with others who are facing similar struggles. In doing so, you create a sense of solidarity and hope. Actionable advice, seek out communities or platforms where you can share your story, whether through writing, speaking, or volunteering, discovering purpose through adversity. Purpose doesn't always reveal itself immediately. It's a process of exploration and self-discovery. By reflecting on your pain and its impact, you can uncover ways to channel your experiences into something meaningful. Number one, identifying your passions. Adversity often clarifies what truly matters to you. It may awaken a desire to advocate for others, create art, or contribute to a cause. Actionable advice, reflect on the following questions to identify your passions. What has helped me heal or grow during this time? What issues or causes resonate with me deeply? How can I use my skills and experience to make a difference? Number two, aligning purpose with action. Once you've identified your passions, take actionable steps to integrate them into your life. Purpose isn't just about big, life-changing actions. It's also found in small, intentional choices. Actionable advice. Volunteer for an organization aligned with your values. 2. Start a creative project that expresses your journey. 3. Offer support or mentorship to someone facing similar challenges. Using your experiences to help others. One of the most empowering ways to turn pain into purpose is by using your experiences to help others. Not only does this create a ripple effect of positivity, but it also reinforces your own healing and growth. Number one, power of empathy. Having endured hardship yourself, you are uniquely positioned to offer understanding and compassion to others. Your empathy becomes a bridge, making others feel seen and supported. Actionable advice. Share your story authentically, focusing on both your struggles and your growth. Offer words of encouragement or practical advice to those who may be struggling. Number two, creating a legacy of impact. Transforming pain into purpose often involves leaving a legacy, whether through tangible contributions or the intangible impact you have on others' lives. Actionable advice. Consider how your experiences can inspire change and create opportunities for others. For example, launch a support group or a resource for people facing similar challenges. Advocate for policy changes or initiatives that address the root causes of your adversity. Overcoming doubts and fears. Turning pain into purpose is not without its challenges. Self-doubt, fear of failure, and uncertainty about your path can hold you back. Confronting these barriers is a vital part of the journey. Number one, silencing self-doubt. It's natural to question your abilities or worth after facing setbacks. However, your pain and experiences have equipped you with unique insights and strengths, actionable advice. Write down affirmations and reminders of the resilience you've demonstrated. Surround yourself with people who believe in your potential and encourage you to pursue your purpose. Number 2, embrace the unknown. Embrace the unknown. Number 2, embrace the unknown. Pursuing a purpose born from pain often involves stepping into uncharted territory. Embrace this uncertainty as an opportunity for growth and discovery. Actionable advice. Reframe fear as excitement. Instead of thinking, what if I fail? Ask, what if this leads to something incredible? Empowerment through purpose. Purpose gives you a reason to move forward. Even in the face of ongoing challenges, it empowers you to reclaim control over your narrative and create a life of meaning and fulfillment. Number 1, redefining success. When you find purpose through adversity, success is no longer defined by external achievements. It's measured by the impact you have on yourself and others. Actionable advice. Reflect on how your actions align with your values and contribute to your sense of purpose. Number 2, celebrating progress. Every step you take toward living with purpose is a victory. Celebrate these moments as evidence of your growth and resilience. Actionable advice. Keep a journal or list of your accomplishments, no matter how small. Your comeback story. Turning pain into purpose. The journey from pain to purpose is not linear. It's a dynamic process of reflection, action, and growth. As you embrace your purpose, your story becomes a testament to the power of resilience and transformation. Number 1, sharing your story. Your story of overcoming adversity can inspire others to pursue their own journeys of growth and purpose. Actionable advice. Find platforms to share your story, whether through social media, public speaking, or creative outlets. Number 2, building a life of meaning. Living with purpose isn't about erasing pain. It's about using it as a foundation to build a life of meaning, connection, and fulfillment. Actionable advice. Regularly reassess your goals and actions to ensure they align with your evolving sense of purpose. How to rewrite your life after setbacks. Rewriting your life after setbacks involves more than simply moving on. It's about actively shaping your narrative of growth, empowerment, and meaning. Number 1, embracing a growth mindset. View adversity as an opportunity to grow rather than a limitation. This mindset allows you to approach challenges with curiosity and determination. Actionable advice. Replace self-defeating thoughts with affirmations like, this challenge is an opportunity to learn and evolve. Number 2, taking ownership of your story. You have the power to define how your story unfolds. By turning pain into purpose, you reclaim control and create a narrative of strength and resilience. Actionable advice. Write a vision statement for your life, outlining how you want your experiences to shape your future. Number 3, continuing the journey. Purpose is not a destination. It's an ongoing journey. As you grow and evolve, your purpose may shift, offering new opportunities for impact and fulfillment. Actionable advice. Stay open to the possibilities and remain committed to pursuing a life of meaning no matter where the path leads. Conclusion. Turning pain into purpose is one of the most transformative ways to rebuild your life after adversity. It allows you to find meaning in your struggles, connect with others, and create a life that aligns with your deepest values. By reflecting on your experiences, discovering your passions, and taking intentional actions, you can transform hardship into a powerful catalyst for growth and impact. Your story becomes a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, a beacon of hope for yourself and others. As you rewrite your life after setbacks, remember that your pain does not define you. What defines you is the courage to rise from the ashes, the determination to find purpose, and the unwavering belief that you can create a life filled with meaning, connection, and fulfillment. All right, that concludes today's lesson. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Again, my name is Scott Perdue. I'm an Amazon author of over 100 books, tons of Christian books, self-help books, wonderful books out there for you. Next time you get on Amazon, go to the search bar, put in my name, Scott Perdue, pull up all those wonderful options, scroll through them, find some, add them to cart, get those in transit to you right away. There's life-changing wisdom there for you, stuff that'll definitely change your life and make it better. Anyway, thanks again for following me through the video. Have a blessed day. We'll talk to you on the next video.